Hey guys, it is Friday, 2:20 p.m. and I ran to Target real quick. I'm gonna do a clean and decorate fall with me because I love to decorate for fall, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to put on Kyler's channel. I know there's a lot of people that like to watch fall decor and I love to decorate. So anyways, I'm gonna run in here to Target. I use the Mrs. Meyer's spray and I love it. They have the new fall scents out, so I'm hoping. I usually get my stuff from grovecollaborative.com, which is awesome if you want to check out that website. They have awesome stuff. Anyway, I'm going to run in here. They usually have some Mrs. Meyer's spray in here at Target, so I'm going to see what they have. As soon as they put it on the shelf, it's gone, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to find anything, but I'll take you guys with me and show you what they have. So here we go. Every time I go into Target, I always get caught at the dollar spot. Do you guys love the dollar spot at the front of the store? I saw some hot buttered rum coffee that I liked, but I didn't pick it up this time. Then I noticed there was some apple cider K-cups for my Keurig, so I got some of those. I also noticed these Oreos, but I refrained this time. The purple bottle is the mum scent, and then this brown bottle is acorn spice, and then it looks like someone put the wrong bottle here. I think this is lemon. This was my reaction to them not having my scent. Okay, so I'm gonna get the acorn spice hand soap, the acorn spice dish soap. They don't have the spray in the acorn spice, so I'm gonna get apple cider. Other flavors they have, they're just not fall scent. They have honeysuckle scent, lemon, peony smells really good, basil, geranium, lavender. So I was looking at the air fresheners and they have these cute air fresheners. I'm not going to get one today, but those are really cute for Airwick. So after getting the scents that I wanted to get, I thought I'm going to go back here to the back of the store and look at their fall stuff. I shouldn't have gone back here because I wanted everything. I love this cute pumpkin. I just thought it was so cute. I couldn't find the price on it at first, but then I finally found it. This glass pumpkin was also cute. And I like these coasters. I had to pick them up and show you guys. They were such cute colors. They had all kinds of neat things. They had a whole shelf of candles from top to bottom. Then they also had some pillows. I love these glass pumpkins. I think they were $25 a piece, but I thought, oh my gosh, they would just get broke and I don't know how I would store them, but I thought they were so pretty. They had some neat Halloween decorations also. I don't decorate for Halloween usually, I just do fall. Do you guys decorate for Halloween or just fall? Now I'm home from Target and I decided to start with the front door. I needed to clean it though because they've been doing construction next door and there was dirt everywhere, so I didn't want to hang my wreath on a dirty door. Once I got that done, I decided to clean the windows. They looked dirtier than I thought they were, so I scrubbed them down and got them all clean. I couldn't decide where to put the wreath on the door, under the windows or on the windows. I couldn't decide which one I liked. I think I like it better down here, that way I could still see out the windows. I always use command hooks on the front door, that way whenever I get ready to remove it, it doesn't take the paint off my door. They work really well, they're nice and sturdy little hooks. Okay, I got all my fall stuff out. and put it all on the table. I had a lot more than I thought I did. So, first thing I'm gonna decorate is this coffee bar area right here. So this is the before, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like while I'm decorating it. It's gonna take me a few minutes, and then what it looks like when I'm done. Small tip, if you wipe out the sink after you wash it with the towel, it'll keep you from getting water spots in your sink. All these fall plates I picked up at Hobby Lobby about a year ago. Next, I moved on to the fireplace. It needed to be cleaned so bad. I never get up here and look at it because it's not at eye level and it was filthy.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant
The last thing I decorated was my entry table. I thought it turned out really cute.
where we are, where we are?
Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, and if you'd like to see more of this content, please comment below.
We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence.